we'll stretch our arms, okay? Don't do it. Now lie down and stretch.
What is this? Why are you sleeping? But I want to play, Mama. This International Yoga Day, make yoga fun for kids. I'm going to gamify Surya Namaskar for my today's video so that you can do it with your children too and have fun. Come, let's get started. Once upon a time, there was a deep, dark forest and it was a wonderful Sunday morning. The sun was way high up in the sky. It was round and big. And on that day, there laid an egg on a beautiful, juicy green leaf. And it was on a tall, tall tree. So tall. And the wind was blowing swish, swash, swish and swash. And suddenly that egg rolled down the trunk and fell onto the ground. Then, popped out of the egg came a caterpillar. He took a deep breath of the fresh Sunday morning. He felt a little uncomfortable at the end of his body. He tried to look down. What's happening? Oh, I'm still half into the egg. So he laid down and wiggled his way up. It felt so comfortable. He again looked down below. Yeah, I'm out now. With a huge, big smile, he took a big step forward, coming out of the egg, coming alive in this beautiful world. But suddenly, he saw a bird sitting on top of the tree. He quickly crouched up. He tried to look back again, and the bird was sitting on a tall tree. It was so tall. But the bird was quite small, but big enough to eat up the caterpillar. Suddenly, the bird stretched and fluttered his wings. The caterpillar saw the bird doing so. He got so scared, he crouched up again. And he took a step backward this time, still trying to look at the bird. But this time, he could not see the bird. Where did the bird go? He tried to look backwards. Is she standing behind him? It was not there. The caterpillar was relaxed. But suddenly, he heard a fluttering sound. He quickly got up again. Did it come from the top? Or did it come from the bottom behind? Nothing could be seen. He nervously took one step forward to see everywhere around the deep dark forest. He crouched up and then saw that the beautiful small little bird just flew up in the sky. And the caterpillar felt free, free, free. And relax. So you saw what I did. We did 2 reps of Surya Namaskar in a whole gamified story fashion. You can actually make them do any poses, any yoga in a form of a story. You can tell them Goldilocks and the 3 bears, 3 piglets. Instead of saying this is the butterfly pose or this is the Shavasana or Vajrasana, rather than telling them the names which sound not so appealing to children, you can actually say it was a tall tree and it was a horse that was riding in the deep dark forest. So you can actually gamify it and make it fun for them. Hope you enjoyed my version of Surya Namaskar for your children. And if you want to do yoga on any other story, do mention it in the comments below and I will get it for you. From mother to another. I'll see you soon then. Thank you so much. Namaste. Bye bye.